Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make quick chicken broth. This easy guide will help you create a flavorful base for many dishes in about 1 hour. You will need about 1 pound of chicken bones or scraps, along with 1 large onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. Don't forget 1 bay leaf, a few peppercorns, and some fresh parsley stems to enhance the aroma and taste. These simple ingredients are the foundation for a delicious, homemade broth. Now let's get those ingredients ready for maximum flavor. First, roughly chop your onion, carrots, and celery into 2-inch pieces. This helps them release their goodness quickly. Next, place all your chicken bones, vegetable pieces, and seasonings into a large, sturdy pot. Finally, pour in about 8 cups of cold water, ensuring everything is fully submerged. This simple preparation sets the stage for a wonderful broth. With everything in the pot, it's time to start cooking. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium-high heat, but do not boil vigorously. As it heats, you might see some foam rise. Simply skim this off during the first 10 minutes for a clearer broth. Then, reduce the heat to low, cover partially, and let it simmer gently for at least 1 hour. This short simmer extracts plenty of flavor. Once your broth has simmered for at least 1 hour, it's time for the final steps. Carefully strain the entire contents of the pot through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl or container. Discard all the solids as their work is done, leaving you with a beautiful, clear liquid. Allow the broth to cool completely before transferring it to airtight containers. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for up to 4 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.